Hey guys, we're going to nature. Going into nature. Going on a nature walk, everyone. Cesar. You guys wanna go climb some trees? Also wants to climb trees. Also, you wanna climb trees? You wanna climb trees in nature also? Where are you? Also, you wanna climb trees, don't you? Also just wants to go wherever I'm at. Mariposa, you can look at the boys all you want, but you know, nothing's gonna happen. Yes, we're all gonna go in nature. We're trying to get the kittens to go in nature because they need to learn how to climb some trees, but it doesn't look like that's happening.